everyone. So I've been set the challenge by Get the Gloss to do Get the Gloss in 7, which is 7 products in 7 minutes. Now, I think I'm quite fast at doing my own makeup, but I don't often time myself, so this could be a lot harder than I think. I've tried to be a bit strategic with the products and doubling up on some stuff. So let's see how it goes. Right, I'm going to put the timer on. Oh. Hey Siri, set the timer for 7 minutes.
Okay, 7 minutes and counting.
Go! Okay, right, I'm starting off with Revolution Concealer. I always put this on first because it starts to oxidize and I feel like it goes thicker and covers more. Right, done. Innica, this is Brow Perfector. This is organic and natural brow mascara with a little bit of colour in. I've got a little gap there, so I do often fill it out with a pencil, but because this has got colour in it, I feel like it could kind of set it and colour and hopefully fill my little gap. Okay, it's going well, I think. How many seconds in are we? I love this brow mascara. Be interested to know whether you lot feel comfortable enough just with a brow mascara or you need something to fill. Okay, we're gonna go in for an eyeliner. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Bedroom Black. The best way I find to do this is literally just close your eyes and run forward and back. Super fast. And this eyeliner is super, super, super creamy. Okay. What are we on? Oh, okay. Going for the Vanish foundation, which is a seamless finish hourglass. I'm just going to do 1 pump of this, and I'm hoping the colour is okay. Because I've had a tan, I've just got back from Bali. It's a little bit dark, but if I just do my neck as well. Yeah, I'm just kind of losing my tan, and I was wearing this the past few weeks, and day by day I'm getting paler and paler. But if I don't put that much on, and what sometimes I do if my foundation is too dark is I then go back in with my concealer and kind of like reshape and highlight like here and stuff. So looks like that's gonna have to happen. I'm also really wanting to trial this out at the minute. So that often happens. I'm trialing a new foundation. I've got completely the wrong colour. Yeah, definitely look like a Simpson. So for that reason, I'm going to go back in with the concealer. And start buffing. I'm using, this is the Jerry brush, actually from my brand. It's really good and quick for doing foundation because it's so big. It's a bit better, isn't it? What are we on? This is so much harder than I thought. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. It doesn't want to tell me. Well, the alarm will go off. Okay, so can you see now the concealer has almost like thickened a little bit? I think we're on about 4 minutes. Not looking too bad, hey? Love, love, love this foundation. Okay, I'm next going to go in with, this is a beautiful cream blusher. It's by Juice Beauty. So this is also an organic and natural brand. Can you see that lovely pink? So I'm going to use this on my cheeks. Just fingers. I'm only using one makeup brush actually. Okay guys, I think we're coming up to 5 minutes, so time is quickly running out. Love this cream blusher. Okay, I'm also going to use this on my lips. It's such a lovely little pinky nude. Okay, I thought I'd push the challenge and actually go for a glittery eyeshadow. So I'm using this Revolution Eye Glisten. It's got 2 ends on it. And I'm going to go over my eyelids with the more shimmery end first. Just going to buff that in with my fingers. Oh my God, what happens if I run out of time? And then I'm also going to use this as a highlighter. See, doubling up. I think I might be coming up to 6 minutes. Okay, on the other end, it's got glitter. Just going to pop a little bit in the very centre. And same again, just fingers. Because why should glitter just be for Christmas time? Okay, right. Mascara. This is the Mina mascara, the Rockstar. It's super, super like thick, black, and well, Rockstar is the perfect name for it because it's quite clumpy. And you can kind of get a bit of a messy lash, and I quite like that. Okay guys, I think we're on about 6.5 minutes. The alarm's gonna go off any second. Look how nice and clumpy that is. Timer! 7 minutes up. I mean, I could spend the next 5 minutes just doing mascara, but it doesn't look too bad, does it? Okay, done. I completed it. Just to prove it, timer done. And it's 9 o'clock, bang on, look at that. Wow. I'm quite impressed with that. I feel like maybe I could be doing my makeup a lot quicker in the mornings. I don't know about 7 minutes. Although, to be honest, I've got glitter on my eyes and that's more than I normally have. So there you go. Thank you, Get the Gloss, for my challenge. Guys, I would love to see your Get the Gloss in 7. So yeah, 7 products, 7 minutes. Go for it. Tag myself and Get the Gloss so we can find your videos. And good luck.